god! Yo! Mom! Oh my god! Mom!
So, here we are now at Euro 15 minutes chart. And we're gonna trade using this indicator, Gains Algo V2 Alpha. There. So now, we're gonna wait for the signal to give us the buy or sell. Okay, Gains Algo give us the sell signal. So now we're gonna sell and put 200,000. So, okay, so we're gonna wait for the result.